up, y'all? It's Sierra Monet, and I'm back again with another video.
I fucked around, got my heart broke. Yeah, I fucked around, got some blue nose. Yeah, I fucked it up when I threw those. Yeah, blue honey, throw me through those. Yeah, I'm in love with the cat now. I'm in love with the cat now. I'm in love with the cat now. Kids, yeah.
Today I'm gonna be doing my hair. We're going to do some beachy waves. I just recorded this makeup look, so it'll be linked in the description box below. For my prom series, you can wear this hairstyle to prom if you want to. It'll be a poppin' prom style for real. It'll like kind of sort of tone the outfit down if you don't want to be too promish with like updos and all of that. So basically what I'm going to be using today is this Garnier Fructis Splat Iron Perfector Straightening Mist, and it's supposed to make your hair sleek and shiny and straight or blase blase. I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. You're going to need a brush, a hard bristle brush, a rat tail comb. Got my handy dandy edges toothbrush. You want a clip. You want some type of edge control. I'm going to be using this Eco Solid Gel. It works for me. I wouldn't recommend it if your hair gets really curly and you want to use that, because it's not going to it's not going to look right with the weave, if that makes sense. I only use it for my baby hairs because they actually lay straight when I put that on it. So you're also going to need a curling iron. I believe this is a 1-inch curling iron, and I got this from, where did I get this from? I got this from Target, I think. So we're going to be using this. And you also want to get some flat irons, and I think I got these from Walmart or Target, one of these. I had these for so long that they don't even have the name on them anymore, so I don't know where the heck these come from. I think they're Remington though. I think they're Remington. If the curling irons are Conair. So let's get started. I'm gonna section my hair in half in the back, and I'm gonna take my straightening mist, and we're just gonna spray that. So we're just gonna spray that and get it all in our hair. So yeah, now you want to start sectioning and curling. So I'm gonna take a pretty medium-sized section, and I'm gonna clip the rest away. And then you want to make sure you comb it out so that you won't have any type of tangling or whatever in your hair. Take your curling iron and make sure they're heated up first, because why would you curl with a cold curling iron? But yeah, so basically I just take it, and I try to do this as quickly as possible because I don't really want a curl. I want like a wave. And then I'm gonna leave the bottom out as well so we get that straight end. And I'm just gonna leave this like this until the end. So we're not gonna touch the curls until the very end. If you want to get like a really messy look, and I think I'm gonna do that also, you want to curl the curls in different directions. This curl, I'm gonna curl it the same way that I just curled the bottom one, because that one is more so towards my face, and I don't want it going, like, I don't want the curl going in the direction of my face. I want it away from my face. So, and then the next one, the one that's next to it, I'm gonna curl it towards my face. And the reason that I'm keeping them tight is so that they can cool down, because if you try to touch your curls while they're still hot, they're definitely going to fall faster. And I'm not sure how well this hair holds a curl yet, so I want to curl them tighter so that by the time I'm done my whole head, I'll still have curls in my head. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna speed the rest of this up and curl my whole entire head, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I get my leave out blended. Okay, so now we're looking like this. So my leave out is pretty much blended already, but basically what I do is I will flat iron, if I can pull out my leave out really quickly. Basically what you want to do is spray your heat protectant on your leave out. Take your flat iron and flat iron it. And then the key to making it blend is to take this hard bristle brush and comb it down, and this will like blend them all together. It'll make it all look like one. So you don't even really need to flat iron your hair if you do this. Like, I mean, you'll have to do it one time, but you won't have to do it a lot. I ran out of space because I tried to record so many videos. But basically I'm gonna just finish it right here, since yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how to get some volume. So basically, after you've separated the curls how you want it to look, I'm gonna then go in and tease my hair. So basically, I'm just gonna take the hairspray again and just spray the bottom part. And then I'm gonna take my brush and just go up, brush like upward. And you wanna do this in different sections. In different sections till we get this. So here we have big voluminous hair. Let me show you guys. And then if you want, you can spray your hairspray on it again just to hold everything in place. But I'm not going to do that because I'm not really a big hairspray person. You guys can go ahead and lay your baby hairs with your toothbrush, and I had to take my phone off the charger. But you can go ahead and lay your baby hairs with your toothbrush and your edge control, whatever edge control that you choose to use. This is the Beachy waves that we have. I'm so freaking upset because I didn't get to film a freaking intro for my makeup tutorial or this one, since my camera ran out of space. Oh, and I just burnt my foot. Oh, I just put my hair on a freaking flat iron. I'm crazy. Wow. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you guys. Sorry I couldn't have a cool intro for you guys, but yeah, I ran out of space and I'm so sad. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, join the Savage Squad. We lit, we turn every day, all day. Okay. I'm gonna continue this prom series for real. This is a nice little prom look that you guys can wear. Yeah, but that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Deuces.